Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Ender 3 and preheating to typical PLA temps so the bed and nozzle expand to operating size. Next, execute Auto Home to set the machine's coordinates. This ensures reference points are correct. Once done, disable steppers so you can gently move the bed and gantry by hand. Make sure the nozzle is clean and free of filament. A small scrape with a brass brush prevents false gaps during the next adjustments. Now focus on the how. Use a sheet of printer paper as a feeler, about 0.1 mm thickness, and slide it under the nozzle at each corner. Turn the bed leveling knobs under the spring clips until you feel slight drag. That tactile feedback is your target. After adjusting corners, move the nozzle to the center and verify the same paper drag. If it differs, rehome and repeat corner tweaks. This sequence balances the bed plane and sets the baseline for final Z fine-tuning. Begin a slow first layer print and use live Z or baby stepping to make small Z adjustments while watching extrusion. You want consistent width and light squish, not obliteration. Make sure infill lines bond without gaps and that the nozzle doesn't dig. Adjust in tiny increments and let the printer stabilize between moves. If you still get poor adhesion, clean the bed with isopropyl alcohol, raise bed temp slightly, or apply a thin glue stick layer. These quick fixes solve most leveling problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.